Hi, I'm Chaize, Platform Evangelist, and today I'm going to talk to you about layouts in Flex 4. As you may know, there is a new component model named Spark that enables the separation between the view and the behavior within a component. And it's easy to skin Flex 4 application thanks to this new architecture, but also we can leverage this new Spark model to build layouts and customize layouts within a Flex app. So let's have a look at this very simple Flex application. Here I have an array collection and I have a data group component. So data group is a base container class for data items, and here you can define the layout you want to use for these components. And I'm using here the horizontal layout. So in Flex 3 it was more like the H box. If I run it, you will discover my cards with my icons and the horizontal layout. You of course have a lot of parameters like the gap. So if you say I need a gap of 50 pixels, then it will add more space between the elements or the children of your component. You can also use the vertical layout. It's more like the VBox in Flex 3 or a simple list, and also the tile layout. So if you already know the tile component in Flex 3 or the tile list, it's quite the same. And you can also tell, okay, I want a specific orientation using columns or rows. So if we try this one, as you can see, it's really easy to change the layout. And here we are, a tile layout with columns. It means like this. Okay, so with these three layouts, these three classes, horizontal, vertical, and tile layout, you can build a lot of application. But the good thing is that you can also create your own layout class. To do so, I have here a sample named my very basic layout. So if I go inside, you just need to extend the layout base class and at least override the function update display list. You will get the width and the height of the container, so that it's really easy. You just have to loop to get all the children and set up the new position. So here I can easily get the number of elements, or the number of children. Here is my loop, and I say here's the X and Y positions. Here are the X and Y positions for these elements. So here it's very basic, so it should like it will look like stairs. Yeah, that's the point. And you can play and using this method math.sin, I want my elements to follow a sine curve, and that's it. You see, you can really express all your creativity using layouts. But it's not over. You can also use the new features within the Flash Player 10, I mean the 3D features. So if I want to work on a list, for instance, I can also change the type of my component. And I assign a new layout, the cover flow layout. If you look at the code very quickly, as you can see, I can use the metric 3D class and the set layout metric 3D class. So if I run it, this is the same component, but here I display a cover flow. And if you look at the definition of this class, you have here two variables, distance and rotation, and getters and setters for these two variables. So it means that at runtime, you can change the behavior of this layout. So let me just uncomment this part. We will use two sliders and do some binding directly on this component. I run it, and at the runtime I can change here the distance between the elements and the rotation parameter. So I think it's really powerful. I really love this new component architecture, and specifically for layout. So I encourage you to look at this new class within the Flex framework, and also you can go on the ADC portal. There is an article that will explain this new layout class. Thank you.